We can use inverse matrices to solve a system of linear equations. For example, let's say we want to solve the system negative 4x plus y equals 5, 6x minus 2y equals negative 9. We can represent this system with three matrices. We can form matrix A by using the coefficients on the left-hand side, and we are assuming our system's in standard form. So here, matrix A will have the coefficients of x and y in the first equation, and then the coefficients of x and y in the second equation. So negative 4, 1, 6, negative 2. Then we can have a matrix X that is representing the variables, so x and y in this case. And then matrix B will contain the elements on the right-hand side of our equation, our constants, 5 and negative 9. So our system is matrix A times matrix X equals matrix B. And if we multiply both sides of this matrix equation by the inverse of A, we can group them differently and end up with the identity matrix on the left-hand side, which means that we can find the solution X for our variables as the inverse of matrix A times matrix B. So in our example, matrix A is negative 4, 1, 6, negative 2. We can find its inverse using either of the methods that we know for finding inverses of matrices. I'm going to use the formula. So we're going to find the inverse of negative 4, 1, 6, negative 2. So we can take 1 over negative 4 times negative 2 minus 1 times 6 times the matrix negative 2, negative 1, negative 6, negative 4. This simplifies to 1/2 times negative 2, negative 1, negative 6, negative 4, which is the matrix negative 1, negative 1/2, negative 3, negative 2. So this is the inverse of A. Now, X is equal to the inverse of A times B. So let's multiply the inverse of A, negative 1 times negative 1, negative 1/2, negative 3, negative 2, by matrix B, which consists of 5 and negative 9. And this product is negative 1 times 5 minus 1/2 times negative 9, and negative 3 times 5 minus 2 times negative 9, which simplifies to negative 1/2, 3. So this means that X equals negative 1/2 and Y equals 3. Or we have the solution negative 1/2, 3.